Hey friends, if you encounter the error with Google Drive or any Google account that you are not signed in loop, so you're not able to sign in at all, then please watch this video. Now, here's the thing, whenever you face such issues with a very popular website, with a reputed website like Google, and you know that it cannot be a server issue, which is very, very rare, then the first approach should be to delete cache and cookies because they are the culprit here. Open the browser. In my case, I'll try it with Microsoft Edge, but it's similar for Chrome. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select history, click on the bin like symbol, change the time range to all time and select clear now. The next one is to remove extensions. And how would you remove extensions? Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select extensions and manage extensions. And you will be able to remove installed extensions from here. The next one is to use incognito mode. Now I'll tell you why. Because in the incognito mode, it is similar to the safe mode. I mean, all extensions are disabled, every other plugin is disabled. So click on these three dots here, select in private mode and log in from absolute ab initio. Okay. After this, you can reset the browser. So click on these three dots at the top right corner, select settings, go to the reset settings tab, select restore settings to the default value and select reset. And finally, you can change the browser. Okay, try a different browser if everything else has failed. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.